guys, I thought today that we would just do a little fun little experiment and make some friends for little Slow-Mo, our turtle friend. Now, I thought of an idea of maybe trying to do the pouring method on the little tortoise shells. So I'm going to try to use a little syringe. This is a syringe from some pet medicine that we had, and my rounded out little bottle caps. There's a couple ways we can do this, so I'm going to try this one first. I'm just going to dollop some paint and try to slurp it up with the little syringe and see how that goes. I think because this syringe that we got with the pet medication, it's kind of like a, I don't know, so that you can pick up the medicine and then put it in the puppy's mouth. But it didn't quite have a seal strong enough to pick up the paint, so I had to go back through it a couple times. It kind of gets the effect, but not quite what I was thinking. And then I just used a cap from one of our detergent bottles, and I blooped it on. As you can see, it's kind of cool, but I did have to go back, refill it, blop it, refill it, and blop it. After doing the little spider web effect, the marbly effect, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it'll work for a little tortoise shell. But I think we're going to try another method that might be a little more efficient. So I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to blop it straight from the bottle. And this worked out pretty well. I think I'm going to do it this way because I'm going to make a bunch of these for a craft show sale, and I just wanted some cool, unique little tortoise shells for my little tortoises or turtles. There we go. It took a long time to dry, I will say that. This acrylic paint is not a fast drying thing. So once I let it dry completely, I did a clear coat over top to seal it, and they turned out pretty cool. Look at this. These little turtles seem very, very happy with their new turtle shells. And Slow-Mo has 3 little friends now. I think I'll try it again and do some different colors and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.